So I tightened this back up. You might want to get a new one of these. And there's your outlet there. A little bit of water on the floor, I'll wipe that up. I tightened this back up. And that's just kind of, it's loose, but it's designed to be that way. So that's on good. Slide her back in. Caught there. So, not bad. I'm going to bring that water in it. So I'm going to leave it like this. If they want to plug the cord in, right, you actually have to reach down below this, and the outlet is down there. Yeah, you can see if you put a light on it. I would there we go. Oh, hold on. Lordy, lordy. There. Down there against the wall, my light's directly on it. That's where the outlet is. I'd really cut off the breaker before I plugged that in. But anyway, if they want to use it, yep. That'll do it. Stuff breaks.